In this video, I'll detail how to delete live speech voice on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you use the live speech each time you want to speak the screen, then this video is going to show you how you can easily delete these voices. Mostly, if you discover that you are no longer having enough space on your Apple Watch, then you want to delete all your downloaded live speech voices that you are not using and only leave the one you are using. So here basically, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete live speech voice on Apple Watch Series 9 to have enough space. So if I download this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is click on the 2 crown to exit the watch face, then click on settings. On the settings page, we just want to scroll down until you get to accessibility and click on that. Then scroll down on the accessibility until you get to live speech. This. Then click on that. Now once you selected that, scroll down and then click on voices. Under voices, locate the voices you've downloaded. So in this case, I have downloaded the Jamie voice. So I just need to scroll down until I get to Jamie. Then click on that. Then click on the voice again. Then here you should see delete voice. To delete this voice, just click on delete voice. There you go. Then you see I need to download the Jamie voice again to use it. So you need to repeat this on all the voices you downloaded on your Apple Watch Series 9. So that's how you can easily delete or remove voice or voices from Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.